Welcome everyone to Agriwellness YouTube channel. Today I am excited to share you with a recipe for making nutritious dry fruit laddus without using sugar, jaggery or any artificial sweeteners. Let's get started. We will be using groundnuts, badam. Badam I soaked overnight to remove tannin rich skin and shade dry it. Walnuts, pistas, cashew, and I have used 4 different types of seeds here: sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, watermelon and flax seeds. These seeds mix helps in the overall functioning of the body as it is high in vitamins, minerals, essential amino acids, antioxidants and healthy fatty acids. I am also using sesame seeds here. To add the flavor, I am using black cardamom. I recommend you to remove the outer skin to avoid the effects of fungicides and pesticides used during its production. Procedure: start by heating a pan with 1 or 2 spoons of ghee. Add all the nuts and lightly roast them. Set them aside. In the same pan, add some more desi ghee and roast all the seeds mentioned. Once roasted, grind the nuts and seeds separately, then mix them together. I have also added black elaichi here while grinding. Heat some ghee in the same pan again and add dates. Cook until it forms a thick paste. Adjust the quantity of the dates based on the volume of the nuts and the seeds. For reference, I used 250 grams here. Once the thick paste is formed, combine it with the nuts and the seeds mixture and start forming the laddus. To make the shaping easier, you can apply some ghee on your hands before making the balls. This laddu recipe is a fantastic way to include a powerhouse of nutrients in your diet, ideal for starting your day with a burst of energy and health benefits. Stay healthy and enjoy your homemade dry fruit laddus. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Agriwellness for more healthy eating tips, recipes and agriculture production. Thank you.